Good day, everyone. I believe that each of us has the power to inspire our through our action and determination. I inspire any fellow students by staying committed to my goals and showing them that success is possible with effort and faith. I remind them that challenges are part of the journey, not reason for give up. Another way, I encourage others is by being a good listener and supporter. Sometimes, all a person needs is someone who believes in them with kind words. When we lift each other up, we create a community of learners who catch and grow together. We raise by helping others. Lastly, I believe that education is the key to unlocking our future. I tell my classmates that learning is not just for passing tests, but for building the life we dream of. Every lesson for take seriously bring us closer to who we want to be. Let's keep pushing forward with passion, faith, and purpose. Together we can achieve excellence and inspire others to the same.